Strong earthquake near Russia causes tsunami warnings. A very strong earthquake happened today near Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. It had a magnitude of 8.8 and was deep under the ocean. Because of this, many countries gave tsunami warnings, including Japan, the United States, and Russia. In Japan, people near the coast were told to leave their homes and go to higher ground. Small waves already hit Hokkaido and other parts of northern Japan. So far, there is no major damage, but people are still being careful. In the United States, warnings were given for Hawaii, Alaska, and the West Coast. In Hawaii, waves were under half a meter, but emergency teams are still watching closely. People were asked to stay away from beaches and ports. Scientists said the earthquake happened because two large tectonic plates moved suddenly. This kind of earthquake is not common, but it can be very dangerous. A Japanese scientist said they are watching closely and ready to act if needed. No deaths have been reported, and warning systems worked well. Still, teams are checking roads, buildings, and other important systems to make sure everything is safe. Tsunami centers will keep giving updates as they learn more.